Shropshire Precision Engineering, they've got a bit of spare capacity on their XYZ 1020 HD VMC. What does that mean? Basically 4-axis mill, 3+1, 8,000 spindle speed, 24 tools. You can see the full 4-axis in there, huge working envelope. But what do you want to see? Some of the parts they can manufacture. They love their one-offs. Basically they like a challenge, so one-offs up to big batch runs. So here's some examples. So a small part, there we go, just turn that around, just showcase that. So getting a little bit larger, there you go, and very tight tolerances there in terms of your threading, etc., and profiled out. That one in aluminium, previous part in steel, bit more aluminium here. This is part of a radio enclosure, so tight tolerances, a lot of machining in there. So great example of the, well, they basically like a challenge. And then some bigger parts just here. Now this is used in semiconductor, well, wafer manufacturers. So, and it's also has a mating part that goes with it. That's not the smallest, well, that's not the biggest part. They do even bigger parts. So anything like that, any material really. So your plastics, Inconels, aluminiums, etc. Get in contact with the guys at Shropshire Precision Engineering.